spacious living and dining area. You can see your living is also you can see the kitchen is very spacious. You can see this is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Luma by Dynamics Group located in Andheri East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual land parcel of the project right in front of the sales office. Also, this is the actual land parcel and you can see the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.6 acres that has total of 3 towers with 3 basements, ground plus 16-story, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, the project has a separate visitor car parking. And now talking about the amenities with gym, banquet hall, jogging track, mini theatre, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now before getting into the location and connectivity, you can see this is the actual location. This over here is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In the neighborhood, you have several business park and 5-star hotels. And talking about location and connectivity, this project is located near Saha International Airport Road, Andheri East, from where International Airport is only at a distance of 600 meters, Aqua Line Metro Station is only at a distance of 800 meters, Airport Road Metro is only at a distance of 1.2 kilometers, and you have West Express Highway only at a distance of 2.5 kilometers from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are standing at the 3 BHK of the residential project Luma. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1122 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. First, at the entrance, you will be getting video door phone for safety and privacy. And this is the entrance where you will be getting a very spacious foyer area. You can see your foyer is very spacious. You can also place a shoe rack in the corner. And towards the left of the entrance, we have your spacious kitchen space where you will be getting platforms and you can customize your lower and upper cabinets. Also, you can see the kitchen is very spacious. And you also have space provided to place your refrigerator. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets by your choice, and you will also be getting full French windows with a very spacious utility area where you can place your washing machine and design your utility corner. Moving forward, and this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious to place your sofas, center tables. You will be getting vitrified tiles on the whole flat. You can customize your TV unit over here, and over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 8 to 10 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. You can also see you have space provided where you can build some extra closet. Also, you have space provided in this corner as well, where also you can make an extra storage closet. And now the best part about your living is that you have full French windows with a very spacious balcony. You can see the balcony is very spacious to place your tea tables, tea chairs. You can also place your swings. Also, this is a running balcony that is attached to one of your master bedrooms. You will be getting glass railings in your balcony to give you unobstructed view. Now moving forward, Over here we have two of your bedrooms. This apartment is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. First, over here we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king or queen size bed. You have walkable space besides the bed. You can also make a seating corner over here, and in this corner you will be getting half French windows with glass facade. And you can also customize your wardrobe along with your study corner or your makeup corner. And this was a common bedroom. Beside this common bedroom is a first master bedroom, where you can see you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy, and to the right of the entrance is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom, where you can easily place your king or queen size bed. Along with your side tables, you can make your seating corners. You have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You will also be getting full French windows with railings for safety and a beautiful standing balcony look. You can customize your wardrobe along with your makeup corner. And one of the best part about the project is that you will be getting ACs provided in all the master bedrooms and the living room. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. And now let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you can see this is the space of your master bedroom to place your king or queen size bed. You have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can customize your TV unit in this corner. You can also make a seating area, and as we mentioned earlier, you have your running balcony attached to this master bedroom. Also, in this master bedroom, you have a walk-in wardrobe space where you can customize your wardrobe. You can also customize your makeup corner. From which is your attached washroom attached that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Luma. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.